Hey guys, welcome to the Hamster channel and happy Mother's Day. I love you, Mom. So today I'll be showing you how to use Google Meet with two of the extensions. So first I will be showing you how to get the extensions first. So you go to apps, you go to web store, then you're gonna just wait. Then you're gonna type in Google Meet, and I'm gonna have, and I'm like, sorry, I'm gonna wait now. Sorry about that, but this is taking a while. Oh yeah, there you go. So I'm gonna get the Google Meet grid view, which is, so I'm gonna go to more extensions, which is like this one. I'm gonna add that. I did use this one, but I don't really like it. It's kind of not really the one that I really want, but like, yeah, then you're gonna type in Google Meet reactions, so it's more easier. Oh gosh, I think I spelled that wrong. Whatever. Then we have to wait. So it's the not reactions for Google Meet, this one that has like a thumbs up, and you're gonna add that extension. It should be adding. Yes, checking. Now it's added. Should be added. Just gonna. Oh, there you go. So then you're gonna go to Google, type in Google Meet, of course, and go to the first link. So here you can sign to your account, but like on Google, but I already did, so it just appeared here. So here you could schedule a video meeting from Google Calendar. Here you could start a meeting and enter the meeting code to join a meeting. I will be starting a meeting. So it should be joined now, and it will appear this. So you're gonna mute yourself or just like, I don't know, like have that on. I'm gonna join now. Then I'm gonna copy the joining info, and I'm going to go to Hangouts and send it to my Gmail, so I could just like have like example for the grid. Just like this, and I'm gonna send the link. Now I'm gonna join it on my phone. So now I have all my phone joined in Shippy. So it just like appears the screen, and I'm gonna mute it. So I won't hear that sound when it's like all together. And I'm gonna press request to join or ask to join. So I just admit it. So now there's me in different angles. You can see yourself. And here is a reactions. You can just like wave, and there's this person that's like raised their hand and some other fun ones. And here you could actually change the scan color of the reactions. Like for example like that, and yellow. Yeah, and here's some turn on notifications, check for update, and other things. And here, of course, you can leave the call and turn off your camera roll like this. And that's turn on captions. You could just turn it on captions, and yeah, here is present now. And here you could present your screen. You could present your entire screen, a window, or a Chrome tab. And here is some other settings. Oopsie. Here is some other settings. You could change the layout, and there's also full screen and turn on captions and settings, and yeah, that's just your settings for your audio and video in general. And here, I don't think you could see it. Can you see it, guys? Here's like you could copy joining info or attachment, other things, and that's chat, of course. You could chat, and here's the people that's in the call right now. This is Jimmy different angles. And here, yeah, that's really. And you could, if you press like pin to yourself, and you could just like, this is like a different layout if you did pin to yourself, or you could pin like others. And you could mute there, because if you're like the host of this meeting, you can mute all the people, or pin to screen, or like, yeah. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, and be good. Bye. Bye, guys.